what sets them apart is definitely like the individual attention that they give you. They're very responsive. They're always answering their phones, checking their texts. Like they're very accessible. We bought a house through them, and my mom is actually currently in touch with them about buying a house.
You feel like you can trust them because they're your friends, so you don't have to feel like they're just trying to get a deal done. They're always there trying to do the right thing for us.
With Eric, we built a 2-year relationship with Eric before we even bought a house. We just kind of built a friendship and a relationship, and he kept in touch. We were looking, but not actively, and there was no pressure or anything. And then when we were ready, we were good to go. So we felt very, very comfortable.
I worked with the Lisica home group multiple times, and I just had them actually help me sell my house and buy a new house. Let me tell you, Eric, hands-on guy, came to my house multiple times, told me what I needed to fix up to get the top dollar for my home. And we sold our house in less than 2 months. We found the perfect house for our family, a flip that we wanted to do, and then we bought another house. So, I mean, Eric and his team are just great. Mason's a great guy behind the scenes, and I can't recommend them any greater than that.
Eric helped Mommy and Daddy buy the house. He's the best.
2 years ago, I bought a house from Eric Lisica. He made the process so easy, I didn't have to put any work or effort into it. There's no one else on the planet that I would recommend buying a home from because of the ease and breeze of buying a home it was with Eric Lisica. What else do you guys need to know?
The great thing about working with Eric and Mason is that they're honest, very easy to talk to, they're open to listening to what you have to say, and they're great communicators in a business where communication is key. They're very good.
And I can attest to that. So basically, I handle all the settlements itself for Eric and Mason, and just seeing the happy clients, and they're well informed, and it's just always been a smooth transaction, really from start to finish.
For us, they had us in mind when they showed us homes, and they took into consideration everything we had told them. And they didn't really show us anything we weren't interested in, and we were so satisfied that we referred my in-laws.
We're selling a 100-year-old house, and Eric and Mason have gone above and beyond helping us with it.
That was the biggest thing.
They found us people to do the work that we needed to get done at very reasonable prices with quality work, and they even came and got their hands dirty and helped us with a couple of projects. So they have bent over backwards to help us through this process, and we go to settlement in 48 hours and 15 minutes.
Thank you. Anything else, sir?
Basically the same thing. The things they did that were above and beyond, I would never go to anybody else.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric Lisica and Mason here. Thank you so much for just coming to the party. We appreciate all your support throughout the years. You guys have been the lifeblood of our business, and just helping you guys out has been so much fun throughout the years, guys. We really appreciate all your help, appreciate all your support, and we can't wait to just help you guys out in the future too.
I'm so excited to be here, and seriously, it's awesome just knowing that all these people that were clients are now really, really good friends of ours. As you can see, I mean, look at this party we got.
Having a blast, man. It's really awesome.
We work hard. We like to have fun. Things are great.
That's true. Listen to Lisica, guys.
You heard it.